Guys, Saki here from sakitech, and in today's video what we are going to do is we are going to be talking about some hidden features for the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. These are some incredible earbuds, and there are some unique features that if you enable are going to take your experience to the next level. So let's dive in and get started right away. Now, number one thing I want to talk about is the fact that there is a built-in LED light on these Galaxy Buds 3 Pro that is actually customizable. So to activate this LED feature, you are going to be in your wearables application. That is this application right here, Samsung wearable application, where you get access to all the features of the Buds 3 Pro. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can go to earbud controls. So traditionally what we have is we have controls on the earbuds to play and pause music and stuff like that. That is all here, that's fine. But at the bottom here, we have the earbud lights controls. So I am gonna go inside, and there's a trick to enable these. What you have to do is you have to remove both of the earbuds from the case. Do not put them in your ears, and simply pinch the stem. And that's gonna activate the lights. And also the LED lights are gonna go out if the battery is less than 30%. So let's remove these, pinch them, and activate the LED. So I pinched them and they are now active. So I'm gonna put them right over here. You can see the LED lights on the buds, and these are going to stay on as you put them in your ears. And if you're walking at night, they're just gonna look very cool. Let me turn off the lights so you can see the LED really quickly. So I lowered the lights a little bit and you can see them right now. And look at the options that we have. We can do blinking. Okay, so now they're gonna blink. So you may not be able to see perfectly on the actual camera, but they are blinking very nicely. They don't turn off completely. They go low and high, okay? And then you can do fade in and fade out. And then once you select that, the lights are gonna slowly fade out and come back and then fade into full brightness. It is incredible when you have them in your hands. Here I am just standing in a dark area in the house, and you can see the LED lights are in fact active. You can see them on both ears. It is simply very cool. Now it's a little bit more darker here, so just one more look here. That's the one on the left and the right. Crazy. And I do want to let you know, once you enable this feature and then you put these earbuds back in the case and remove them again, it is going to be deactivated. Before you put them in your ears, just pinch the stems again. And you just pinch this area right here on both of the buds at the same time. Now, one of the first things that you want to do when you buy these buds is to make sure they fit in your ear properly, get you a proper seal so you get the best experience. There's actually a built-in feature in the app that allows you to do that. So if you go down and go to sound quality and effects, at the bottom it says ear fit test. So when you tap on it, it is going to ask you to go to a quiet place and put them in your ears. I'm going to do that right now. So I'm putting it right now, and as soon as I put it in my ear, it says start, okay? So now I am going to tap on start, and it's going to run its check. Now for the first example, I purposefully put the earbud, it's a little bit loose in my ear, it is not properly fitted. So when I tap on start, look at what happens. It says keep them in your ears. I shouldn't be talking, by the way, but it did say poor fit, okay? By the way, when you're running this test, don't talk. This is a video demonstration, so I just talked, but I do have poor fit on both sides. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it better inside. Let me readjust them a little bit in my ears. And now I am gonna try again. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. Now it says the right side is poor fit. So let me readjust that, and then I can tap on try again. And now we have a good fit. By the way, when you have a good fit, you ensure that you're getting the best sound and active noise cancellation. By the way, in the retail box, you are gonna get a bunch of different tip sizes, so make sure you test all different tip sizes to get the best quality. Some people have narrow ear canals, some people have wider, so you just wanna put the right one in there to get the best possible seal. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about has to do with 360 audio recording. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This is incredible. Now, when I go to my sound quality and effects, you can see on the top we have 360 audio. This is for listening to stuff. So if you enable this, and if you listen to anything that was recorded in surround sound, you are able to get that experience as if people are speaking all around you or action is happening all around you. But there's something else you can do. You can actually create your own videos with 360 audio using the Galaxy Buds. Now for that, what you would do is you would go to the camera, okay, and then you would go over to video, all right? And you go to the settings and you wanna make sure under advanced video options, the 360 audio recording is in fact enabled. So once this is enabled, you can go out and you can see on the top right here, it says 360 audio. Okay, it says 360 mic, my bad. So that means it is now connected to my Galaxy Buds. Make sure they are paired to your phone, obviously, and then put these in your ears. And once you record them, the microphones on the buds will pick up all the volume and embed that into your video. And when you play that video back, let's say there was somebody behind you talking or to your left or right, that is exactly how you are going to hear what is happening. So using these guys, you can record 360 audio and then come and listen to it as long as you have this option enabled here for listening and the one that I showed you in the camera for recording right here at the bottom. Fantastic. Let's move on. Now, the next thing I want to talk about actually is going to help you. So again, in the settings, I want you guys to scroll down and go to earbud settings. Right over here, it says neck stretch reminders. So tap on this one, put the earbuds in your ear and turn this on. So let me put these in. I'm going to show you what it's going to do. So basically, when I turn this on for the very first time, it's going to ask me to calibrate my earbuds. Look at this text. It says, if you hunch over your phone or desk, your head tends to lean forward, which can cause back and neck health problems. These earbuds are able to detect that if you're hunched over 10 minutes, it is going to notify you to perform some exercises. And that's going to be these exercises right here. It's going to tell you exactly what to do to stretch your neck so you do not get injuries in the long term. This is great. Again, put them in your ears, tap on the button. It's going to walk you through to calibrate the earbuds so it can detect if you are hunched over for a long time. So this is going to show up the first time you do it. You tap on start and just follow the instructions. You will get voice instructions and also text instructions right here. Okay, I'm gonna skip this for now, but you can do it immediately. Now within the same settings, if you go all the way down, you'll see a diagnostics menu. Tap on that, and that's gonna take you to the Samsung members application. And from there, you are actually able to diagnose your phone. I've talked about this before, but you can actually diagnose connected devices. So I can actually diagnose any issues with my Buds 3 Pro that are going to show up right here as long as they're connected to the phone. So if I tap on this guy, look at this. I can run all these tests to make sure that everything is working properly with my Buds. If you do have a problem in any one of these areas, you can return them and replace them before the return window expires. So I can check the mic, as you can see. Okay. Let's allow. If I tap on it, it's going to ask me to record something, and then it's going to give me a final result telling me that everything is working properly. You can go ahead and run all these tests if you are interested. All right, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys learned something new. My favorite feature, even though it has no utility other than looking cool, is the LED lights on the Buds. That is a crazy feature I've never seen before. Anyway, guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Any questions, comments, drop below. For now, have a fantastic day.